What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Only Tech Boss. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the tech that I love and use a lot in 2020. So I'm going to be telling you guys 5 of my favorite techs and why they're my favorite techs. And yeah, as you can see, I've got them all lined up right here for you guys. So yeah, there's a few things, but it's what I use day to day, which is very important for my lifestyle, especially being a tech orientated, I don't even know how you say it, but yeah, being a tech guy, I need these techs, otherwise I can't make these videos or anything like that. Anyway guys, if you're an OG on this channel, you know what I'm about to say. I haven't said it in a while, but you know what, because I got one for you guys. Cue the B-roll.
Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you.
So guys, as you saw, my collection of my B-rolls and all that. Anyway, so first of all, I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna go from bottom to top, and then tell you guys my most important one. So coming at number 5, we have my IKEA plant. The IKEA plant is probably 5th place because, nah, I'm joking. That's not even tech. That's just, yeah, the IKEA plant. I did a video on the channel about the IKEA plant. Click up there, you can check it out. But yeah, number 5, I say my laptop. My gaming laptop. It's, as you can see, it's a HP laptop, HP Pavilion. This is actually the gaming laptop, and I did a video on that as well, which will be down below in the description. But I did a video on that, and yeah, it's the reason that it's in number 5 is because it's not really my daily driver. I don't use it that much. I only use it when I'm on holiday, or say I want to edit on the go or whatever, which is not even that much, because I do all my editing on the Beast, which is right there. But yeah, so when I'm going out or whatever, I take care. Sometimes I do go out and I need to edit on a go, then I do that with the laptop. Anyway, coming in at number 4 is the what do you call it? The Galaxy Buds. This is the Galaxy Bud 2, the Galaxy Bud 1. I hear they're all mucked up because yeah, but this is the nice Galaxy Bud 2, well, the Plus, whatever you want to call it. It's a nice feature. Is a Mark II from the 1st generation, obviously, but yeah, it's nice. I like that. Anyway, coming in at number 3 is my what do you call it? My what's this? My tablet. This is what pretty much I use to make every single video, as you guys can see. Yeah, my tablet. Yeah, it's pretty much what I use to make every video, where I put my notes down of what I'm going to be saying in my videos, so I don't forget. So I write everything down so I know exactly what I'm saying. So that's number 3. It's very important, because without that, I can't really do on the laptop because I have no space to put it. And yeah, it's just, with this, it's just you open it up, flick it up like this, and you just put it somewhere and you can work with it. And coming at number 2 is my camera, which is what I'm filming with right now, my Canon EOS 80D. Beautiful camera, quality is still brilliant. But yeah, that's my second, because it makes my YouTube video, and yeah, it just is a pretty nice camera. And then coming in at number 1 is obviously my phone, my top spec, my top favorite tech of 2020. And it came out in 2020 as well. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Absolutely beautiful phone. Very minimum. Literally, you just close it, slide it in your pocket, boom, ready to go. It's so easy, so quick. Yeah, I just love how compact it is, and it's so functional as well. You open it up, you have a nice big screen layout. It's awesome. It's awesome. But yeah, guys, that's my 5 favorite tech of 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, comment down below and tell me if you liked the video or not. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with your notifications on, so you guys can know when I upload a video. And also, I'm shouting someone out as well, so go down there, check out the Instagram, and yeah, go crazy. Just follow, like the pictures, whatever, do what you have to do. But yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.